Beneath the endless blue of the Pacific Ocean, sunlight fades into eternal night. 5 miles down, where pressure can crush steel, the ocean floor hides its secrets well. For centuries, humans believed nothing could exist there. No light, no warmth, no life. But in 1986, a group of divers off the coast of Yonaguni, Japan, found something that shouldn't exist. Massive stone terraces, geometric steps, straight corridors, and massive pillars carved with precision. They weren't random. They were architectural, and they were ancient. At first, many dismissed it as a trick of nature, underwater erosion shaping rocks into familiar forms. But when sonar scans revealed symmetrical corridors extending hundreds of meters, the story changed. Some of the formations appeared to align with constellations, just like ancient sites on land: Giza, Stonehenge, and Teotihuacan. It wasn't just random geology. It looked like design. Marine geologist Masaaki Kimura spent decades studying the site. He claimed it was once part of an ancient city, now buried under the ocean for over 10,000 years. If true, that would make it older than any known civilization on Earth. But there's a problem. According to modern history, no advanced society should have existed that far back. Humanity wasn't supposed to build cities or even monuments that early. So how do you explain a city built before history began? The site, known as Yonaguni Monument, features massive stairways, terraces, and what looks like a pyramid structure. Divers describe hallways, platforms, even shapes resembling roads and gates. The precision is unsettling. Right angles, flat planes, perfect symmetry. Nature doesn't carve like that easily. As word spread, researchers from across the world came to see it. Geologists, archaeologists, explorers. Some said it's proof of a forgotten civilization swallowed by rising seas at the end of the Ice Age. Others called it pseudoscience. But as sonar scans grew more detailed, new anomalies appeared, structures deeper, larger, and farther apart than Yonaguni. They form a pattern stretching across the Pacific floor, from Japan to Micronesia to Easter Island, as if pieces of a continent long vanished. Ancient legends speak of a land called Mu, a Pacific civilization said to have sunk into the ocean thousands of years ago. Science calls it myth, but sometimes myths remember what history forgets. The deeper we explore, the stranger it becomes. Robotic submersibles have captured massive rectangular blocks stacked like walls, buried beneath coral and volcanic ash. Some carry inscriptions, others metallic residue that doesn't match the surrounding geology. It's as if the ocean itself tried to erase the memory of what once stood there. Could it be that during the last ice age, when sea levels were lower, a civilization thrived there, where now there's only sea, and when the waters rose, they vanished, leaving behind only ruins deep in the abyss? No one can say for sure, but one thing is certain: these formations are real, their geometry is real, their mystery undeniable. Today, the Pacific floor remains largely unexplored. Less than 5% of its depths have been mapped in detail. For all we know, there could be cities, monuments, or histories buried forever under the weight of the ocean. And maybe, someday, when the machines go deeper, we'll find the proof. Until then, The abyss keeps its secrets.